Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I have for you a package that I got in from Nail Reserve. So Nail Reserve was so kind to reach out to me and want to send me a little box full of some of their polishes. So I have in here their base and their top coat. And then I have 5 colors that I've chosen. So I want to go through and do swatches, and I want to do a tutorial with these colors for you guys. So a little bit about the brand. Their gel polishes are vegan, 9-free, and cruelty-free. And they do introduce new colors every month. So I'm so excited to test these out, try a new brand. So here is their top and their base coat up close. All of their polishes do cure between 30 and 60 seconds in an LED versus UV lamp, and they are soak off gel. And then here are the 5 colors that I got. I did pick out 3 colors and then 2 different types of glitters, because I wanted to try a couple of the different formulas from them. So let's get into swatching. This is what their bottles look like. Nail Reserve with the star on it, Los Angeles. And then down here is where they list the shade name. So this one is lavender. And they do just have it right on the bottle. Vegan, 9-free, cruelty-free. And they have the instructions right on the bottle as well. So everything is easy to read, easy to use. Okay, so here's what lavender is looking like on first coat. Now to me, this is not really a lavender. I feel like this is more of a mauve-y taupey purple. Still a gorgeous color, but I wouldn't call it lavender. And as you can see, it is almost a one-coater. I don't know if it's showing up on camera. I have a little bit of shadowing kind of in this area, but it is almost a one-coater. And it did smooth out really nicely. You could see there's no bumps or anything. It smoothed itself right out. This next one is Sea, Swing, and Sun. Here's what first coat of Sea, Swing, and Sun looks like. And this one is more sheer, if you can see it. It may build up to full coverage, but I think this one would be a really nice just background shade for your nude background if you're doing like a French tip type of design, which is why I picked this color out. I did want to choose it. I didn't know it was going to be on the sheer side, but that actually works to our advantage with that. This next one is Constellation. So here's what Constellation looks like on first coat. It is got more of a jelly base, though I do think it'll build up in a couple coats. But it has this deep purple plummy jelly base, and then it's got really pretty fine glitters in there. I did think the glitters were going to be a little chunkier, but they are pretty fine, but it is super pretty. It is like looking at a constellation. Next up we have Her Destiny. So here's what Her Destiny looks like. It is a beautiful peachy color. And this is, again, like the lavender. It's like a cream consistency. So it seems like their cream gels are almost one-coaters. I mean, you could probably get away with that as a one coat. I would still do second coat just because I always do 2 coats of a color. But their cream formula is very high pigmented. And this last one I have here is Golden Crown. Here's what one coat of Golden Crown looks like. Again, having more of a jelly base consistency with those iridescent glitters in there, though I do think it would build up to be an opaque color. But this one is super soft and pretty with just that hint of the shimmer in there. So I'm gonna go ahead and do 2 coats of all of the colors, top coat them, and we will come back. Okay, so here are all of the colors double coated and top coated. I do want to note that the top coat is not a no wipe, it is a regular top coat, so you are going to have to wipe off the tacky layer with this one. And then, so the 2 creamy colors, those were pretty much full coverage on first coat. This Sea Swing and Sun did build up to a full coverage. Still a little sheer, but it's mostly full coverage. But I do like that you could do a really thin 1 coat with it, and it'll give you that like transparent nude background that you would want for a fringe, but you can also build it up for this one. And then the 2 glitters, I feel like if I did a 3rd coat of them, they would be fully covered. They're mostly covered on 2nd coat, but I would recommend putting a color underneath it. But I really like the shimmers. All of the formulas, so I had 3 different formulas. I had the creamy formula, the glitter formula, and the more of this like sheer jelly formula. All of them were easy to work with, went on really smoothly. They all self-leveled, which was really nice. So no complaints there. Really nice formula on all of them. And then with the colors I chose, I did try to choose ones that I could pair together to do some sets. So if you paired lavender with constellation, that would look really pretty. Constellation is a really nice glitter that you could definitely use for the background of a like starry night type set. Do some stars on them. You could draw a constellation on top of like, this is a really good like cosmic background. So those 2 would look really pretty together. And then this, like, it is a peachy color of the glitter, Golden Crown, but if you do a thin coat of it, you can kind of get away with putting it on top of any color, but it would pair really nicely with the nude, and then of course it would pair really pretty with the peachy color as well. So there again are the swatches of those. I want to do a tutorial. I'm thinking I want to do the peachy, do it for spring. So let's go ahead and test out these colors, see what we come up with. Okay, so here is how my nails came out. I really love the design I came up with. It's really pretty for springtime. Spring is around the corner. It is here, it is coming. And so this is the perfect manicure to start out spring with. I was able to use 3 of the colors from what I got. Her Destiny, which is the bright coral, Sea Swinging Sun, which is the nude, and then Golden Crown. I did the accent of the shimmer, which the shimmer is super subtle, but in the sunlight you can definitely see it, just to add a little accent. So here again are all of the shades that I received. They are really pretty. I'm excited to try something with the purples. Those are really pretty. You guys know I love my purples, but the peach is definitely fun for spring and summer. So thank you to Nail Reserve for sending me over this package. I do have a 50% off discount code for you guys. It'll be up on the screen as well as in the description box with a link. It is AmyR50. Save 50% off your order at Nail Reserve. But I really enjoyed trying all of these new formulas, this new brand. I really enjoyed my experience. I can't wait to play around with some other colors, some other shades that they come out with. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy my brand reviews and swatches. Make sure you subscribe for more tutorials coming out very soon. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys next time. Bye!